Thank you for using Trend Micro Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to use the Trend Micro Privacy Scanner on your PC. This video applies to all three PC editions: Antivirus Plus, Internet Security, and Maximum Security. Trend Micro Toolbar is a web browser extension that can warn you about security risks associated with the websites you visit. It protects against fraudulent Gmail and Outlook webmails via Fraudbuster, checks your online privacy in Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and launches PayGuard, a hardened version of your default browser to protect your financial transactions. To use Trend Micro Privacy Scanner, click Check Your Online Privacy in the Trend Micro toolbar. A window opens in your browser and lets you sign into your social networking account, or to test your privacy settings in your browser or browsers. For this example, select Facebook and click Sign In. The Facebook login website appears. Sign in to your Facebook account. The Facebook newsfeed page displays, showing Trend Micro Security's privacy scanner for Facebook. Click See Scan Results. Facebook returns the results, indicating when you have privacy concerns. If you have concerns, click Fix All to fix all the concerns at once using the Trend Micro Security recommended privacy settings, or select the drop-down settings menu to fix them manually. In this example, we'll choose Fix All. The Fix All dialog appears. Click Fix for the settings with privacy concerns. Trend Micro Security changes your settings and returns the result. In this case, since you accepted the default recommendations, it returns, "Nice work. You don't have any privacy concerns, but your friends might need some help." Back in the Privacy Scanner page, select one of your browsers. In this example, Google Chrome. The Privacy Scanner shows when you have privacy concerns. Click Fix All to fix all the privacy concerns or manually edit them. When you click Fix All, the Fix All dialog appears. Click Fix to fix the privacy concerns. Privacy Scanner resets the privacy settings in your browser and provides a restart dialog to complete the process. Click Restart Now to apply the changes. The browser restarts with the changed privacy settings, saying, "Nice work. You don't have any privacy concerns, but your friends might need some help." Repeat this process for each of your social networking accounts and installed browsers. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the Trend Micro Privacy Scanner.